Victoria has about 7.88 million hectares of forest. That's about half of what we used to have. So since 1750, after European occupation, large areas of particularly woodlands in Victoria were cleared. They remain cleared today. The Regional Forest Agreements, as I said, they were designed to be a planning framework on a regional basis and a negotiated outcome between the Commonwealth Government and the State of Victoria. Those agreements include provision for renewal, and that's what the Modernising Regional Agreements is about, is activating that provision between the Commonwealth and the State to renew the agreement for a further period of time. Boiled down, the Regional Forest Agreements had three key objectives. The first one is to identify a comprehensive, adequate and representative reserve system and ensure that that's managed properly, to provide for the ecological, sustainable management and use of forest in those regional areas, and for the long-term stability of forests and the forest industries. These agreements, they're all over 20 years old, they're all now expiring and they're on an extension, but a lot has changed in that 20 years. The size and structure of the forest industry has altered substantially. I'll talk about that in a minute. Our knowledge of things like biodiversity, forest values and climate change have all changed in that 20 years. Our understanding has altered, and also climate change itself is starting to impact on all of our ecosystems and our economies. The RFAs and the forest management system they accredit should try to cover all forest values and not have so much of an emphasis just on timber, but look at recreation, water, pollination, climate change roles. Everything to do with forest should be included so that you have a holistic view of what they can do. In terms of the second theme, long-term stability of forests and the forest industries, again, refocus on addressing climate change and the disturbances such as fires that go with that, and consider opportunities to look for innovative markets that can develop economic well-being for Victoria. Governance, third theme, as I said, forest management plans, they do need renewal. That's underneath the RFAs, looking at try to deliver ecologically sustainable management, work with traditional owners, but also be more adaptive, because we're learning all the time. And when we learn, we should be able to adapt our management plans. There is a need to have better information on all of our forests so that decisions are made based on evidence. And I'll leave you with a koala. Thank you.